Now we will see how to live view the cameras of Dahua DVR. We have application Gdmss for Android and Idmss for iPhone. This is Android mobile, so it is having Gdmss application. We will open this. Now it is showing plus 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 plus. We just have to click one plus and select the DVR. Here are 3 DVRs: demo, office new and workshop. Demo is just a demo, and office new is our office cameras, and workshop is one customer workshop. So we will click this office new. We'll take camera 1. Now this camera has been opened. We are checking this online. We'll click another plus. We'll take office new and camera 2. So these are the 2 cameras in an office which we are viewing through online, remote viewing through application. Thanks for watching.